Hey guys, how y'all doing? Happy December the 22nd, y'all. Oh my gosh, the time is flying. So how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's great. Just came on real quick just to say hi. Enjoy your day. Remember to love yourself so you'll be able to love others so this world will be a much better place and all that good stuff. So I'm sipping on my tea because it's cold outside. I got some lemon. I have, I think this is cinnamon spice tea. It tastes really, really good. So I have a lot of errands to run today. Y'all, sometimes I just don't like being productive. Like I got to go to the bank today. I have to get those packages in my truck today. What else is going on? There's a lot of things I got to do today. Bank. It's just a lot. I don't like, some days I just don't like being productive. I don't care what nobody thinks, okay? Just some days you just got days like that. But anyway, y'all, I'm loving this area, y'all. I'm loving this area so much. But let me show y'all what I've done to the area. I added some little things here. So I added these, I don't know if y'all can see it, but my 4 glasses that just sit in the cabinet. They're so pretty. I just had to put them there. So, and then, y'all, this is a philodendron. It's a lemmy lime. Let me see if I can turn some light on and look brighter. It is a lemmy lime. And so what I'm going to do, I got this from Lowe's. It was $4 and let's see. What does that say it was, y'all? Can y'all see that right there, that price? Okay. That's what it was. And I'm actually going to I'm going to keep her here, but I'm going to put her, and let me show y'all real quick. I'm going to put her in this gold pot, if you guys remember. Come on, focus camera. There we go. I'm going to put her in that gold pot, and I think she's going to look nice right there. But a lot of y'all said the rectangle, and I like it, so we're going to do that. And like I said, I'm going to put that pot up there. I think that's going to look cute. I'm trying to think what else, y'all. I'll probably put something else in the place of that. Today, you guys are going to get, you guys are going to get the kitchen updates, the updates to the kitchen. And it was something else I wanted to let you know. Oh, in the beginning of this video, those pine cones that you guys see, those are actually from the park. So, guys, you ain't got to go out here and get no pine cones. So I got them from the park. And what did I do? I got them from the park. And I boiled them, and I added my own like natural cinnamon. Son, you should get so excited. Calm down, girl. I added my own cinnamon to the pot, and I put my own like essential oils in there. So it gave it like a really nice fragrance. Guys, let me show y'all. Look at this. I told y'all I was going to let y'all know when she actually hits the tub, and she's hitting the tub. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put her all the way up on the top of the hook right there. She'll go on the top. And then this one here was the one that was shorter. So I'm going to let her go reach down, and then I'll put her all the way at the top as well. So that is my plan for today. Let me show you guys how I got these packages all done in the office. So they're all labeled and everything. Like I said, I'm going to be putting all of these inside my truck and taking them today. And I not came up with something, but something ran across my mind. When we give and we bless others, y'all, we're not supposed to announce it. I forgot what scripture that is in, but we're not really like supposed to say anything. We're supposed to just do good, and that's it. And we reap our reward that way instead of making an announcement. So I probably will let you guys know, like, if I came up with more stuff or just show you some stuff, but I won't like really go into detail because I don't want to do that if that's not what I'm supposed to be doing, you know? Let's go see what it's like. Cause, I think it's 29 degrees. So y'all already know it's freezing. Okay. And we got some snow coming down. So let me show y'all and see if y'all can see. Do y'all see the snowflakes? Hold on. Can y'all see it? Wait a minute. I'm trying to. You might not. You see it. You see the snowflakes, y'all? See the snowflakes? Look over there. You'll see them. Yeah. So yeah, we have snow. So let me show y'all. This is outfit of the day. I got on my cashmere cardigan and my what are these called? These are my what do they call these? Y'all, I can't remember. Vintage. These are my vintage old school jeans. Can y'all see me? This camera is not acting right this morning. She want to cut up. But yeah, I got on these. And yeah, so I will see you guys. I'll see you guys in a little while, okay? Guys, y'all, it's so freaking cold out here. Like, I got on my Uggs. This is Ugg wool. You need wool. Oh, I need a wool coat. I need like an all wool coat, okay? This is that type of weather. Because, And then I had to pull out these my real gloves. These is what you should be wearing in this kind of weather. There's cotton in here, and it's suede on the outside. But, oh gosh, it's so cold. I know y'all tired of me keep talking about it's cold outside, but it really, really is. But I'm sitting in the garage still. Because I'm going to fill out my slip for, I keep looking in the mirror to make sure y'all can see me. But I need to fill out my slip for the bank because when I get to the bank, I don't want to be having to wait for a very long time. So we're going to skedaddle. Is that what it's called? And we're going to get out of here. And the next time y'all see me, that stuff will be out of my car. All right? Oh, look at this. Look at this. Oh, my God. See? Our plans are not our plans. I thought I was being early, okay? So we'll have to be in line, but we're moving. But guys, I'm trying to jam to she got it, girl. No, you ain't got it. You are not on your own time. You are on his time. So we are here at the bank, and I'm going to do this. I got to go pay a bill, and then I'm going to drop this stuff off. I want it out of my truck so I can breathe. Bye, y'all. I'm sorry. Oh, y'all, I'm just now getting my stuff. Damn, Gina. What took so long? Oh, my gosh. All right, y'all, let's roll out, honey. Not again. This ain't happening. No, I'm not going to say that. It might happen again. But let's get on with the rest of our day. But, woo. All right, bye, y'all. Bye, y'all. 5 minutes later, bam, bam, bam. Yeah. I'm proud of myself. I can breathe. I can breathe now. I can breathe now. All right, y'all. Welcome back to this other part of the video. Hours later. It's cold, y'all. She's tired. She's been fighting the cold. It's too cold. But anyway, I told you guys when I got back, I'm going to show you guys the kitchen, the updates. I'm going to make this really quick in this video. Then I'm going to show you the room, how it looks with the wall, how it is in the evening. Okay. Anyway, here are the updates, guys. Well, I got my candle burning here. Guys, oh, I love how this looks with that. So you guys know this is new. So in here, this one's new from Habitat for Humanity. This one's new. I think I showed you guys. And then this is the one in the back that's also new from before. And then this is, after these, this one and that one. This is our newest one. I like this. It's like a teak wood. And actually, like, you can get your oats and stuff out of there. You could use it for whatever. You're going to get flour out, things like that. I know it's kind of large, but I like it. I forgot how much it was. I think probably like $1 or something one day. So yeah, you guys seen that. The newest thing here is my 3-tier fruit stand. This is actually for Halloween. It came from Target. I think it was like $15. Has a little bird here. I painted that gold. And yeah, you just store your fruit on it. So I like that. And then the cutting boards, guys, I'm going to show you the stain that I used. Well, you've seen the stain that I used before. Just go back in the videos. And then this is the, it is actually done now. They have been, if you can see the shine, they have been polyurethane. I will put that in this video behind this or whatever. New here, if you remember my old tube pumps, this is the new thing, guys. I got this from Lowe's. I'm going to insert a clip to show you. I really like this. This is my hand stuff, and then this is the dish soap. Really nice flat pump things on here. I really like that. And it has like this marble finish, and you can put something here like your sponges and stuff like that. Guys, I did remove the thing here that said gather, honey. I'm good. I don't need to put no labels in my house for, you ain't gotta have labels saying what you're doing. Because once you're sitting in here, you're gathering, right? So I ain't got to do all that. And then, too, it was like too many sayings in here. I already have the saying in the back foyer and the saying in the family room. That's enough sayings, right? And then a little hello sign at the front door. That's enough sayings, okay? I don't need no more sayings in my house. I don't know. And then it's like too farmhousey. So I took it back because I really intended to get that white knot thing. But, yeah, it's gone. Just letting y'all know it's gone. So, over here, I have this new thing here. I got it from Goodwill, and I think it came from, like, the tag that's on it looks like Burlington, and this is the Hotel Belfour. And actually, it just houses my teas. I like how this little thing is here. I've got my little tea bags. Just the perfect size, not too big, not too small. Like, I know I don't like real little bitty stuff, so that's that. Trying to think what else. Oh, I got my two little matching. Y'all remember these, Project 62. And then in here, y'all haven't seen this in a while, but everything is together. These are new as well. These bamboo utensils. They're really slick. On one side is this, the other side is that. That's basically like for emergencies. I have all my essential oils here, scent warmers, sprays, and what is this? Oh, this is my neem oil for the plants. But yeah, that is that. And yeah, and hopefully I can find another one of these because I really like this, because to me, this one here now is kind of like, I still like it, but until I find another one, I'm just going to keep it. It kind of reminds me more of, it's still modern, mid-century modern, but it's more like farmhousey. So if I find one of these, I'm going to get it. So guys, that's the end of the, oh, and this baby right here, this big baby right here, she's going to be going to a new home. I have her on offer up. I have to put her in another pot because I want to keep my pot. Guys, but look at her. She is massive. She is massive, and she's just keep on growing. Look at that. So whoever has it, and then this is the table, and there's the rug. So that's it. But here, let me show you guys really quick the room when it's all lit up. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that nice? So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and relax for the rest of the evening, but I just wanted to show you guys how the room looks when it's all lit up. And that's the lamp over there that's shining bright and pretty. So guys, glad you hope you enjoyed hanging out with me today. I'm gonna get into my back room and I'm gonna enjoy my evening, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye y'all. Let me know in the comments, what do you think? I know you always do. Leave me some warm comments. Some of you have, and I will be addressing some of the comments that I got lately. They are warm and heartfelt, and I appreciate it. I love you guys. Bye, until next time.